Do you see that?
No way, this is a Porsche Panamera.
How long do you think it's been here?
Years. Maybe forgotten completely.
The body is still solid.
Yeah, this car deserves a second life.
Let's clean it properly.
Look at that shine coming back.
Whoa, unbelievable. It's still beautiful under all that dirt.
This car was waiting for us.
Interior needs work, but it's not destroyed.
Engine looks tired, but not dead.
Let's finish this.
From dust, to life again.
The jungle couldn't take it.
This Porsche is alive. Never underestimate what can be restored. This Porsche is alive.